The Minnesota Department of Health and Department of Education now coming out with some new guidance this week for high schools trying to plan proms and graduations.
Yeah, from dances potentially moving outside to color-coded wristbands, all sorts of options are being considered right now. Leah Bino is live in Bloomington, where the high schools are also getting even more creative than ever before there. Leah?
Yes, that's right. With the exception of last year when everything was canceled, Bloomington-Jefferson has teamed up with Bloomington-Kennedy the last couple of years for prom. Now work is underway to make sure those 800 combined students at the two high schools can have their prom and graduation too.
They get all the rides and they can play and be kids a little bit still.
The principal of Bloomington-Jefferson High School aiming for a repeat of the district's 2019 prom at the Mall of America, plus masks and most likely seniors only. New guidance from MDH and MDE include attendance limits, no food or beverages after 11 p.m., and must be in designated areas. Plus students can dance and mingle in groups of 6.
But that pod has to stay 6 feet away from other pods. So we're already in the brainstorming stage of how could we facilitate that? You know, do we have kids sign up ahead of time of who's in their pod? Do they wear some kind of colored wristband to indicate common pods? You know, things like that is some of the brainstorm that we're currently going through.
Meanwhile, Bloomington is working toward a graduation ceremony once again at the Minneapolis Convention Center, allowing for more social distancing. Recommendations also include families can't intermix unless it's within their group of 6, no lingering after the graduation ceremony, and diplomas need to be handed out touchless.
So as we plan to bring more and more people together where they will be sharing confined airspace, and the level of movement is unpredictable, we want to build in administrative and other strategies to make these events as safe as possible.
Anderson believes even endless amounts of preparations will be worth it.
It was really reinforcing from last year of how important these memories are. School is very, very important, of course, but these final, memories in the spring for especially our seniors, it really came to light last year how important those are and how meaningful those were to our families.
Now it's important to point out that none of these details that I just talked about are confirmed here in Bloomington, but as you heard, they are working toward that goal of having those celebrations. We're live in Bloomington. Leah Bino, Fox 9.